Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin this screen replacement, you'll need the following tools: a Phillips #0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a suction cup. Before starting, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Start by placing your Lenovo Yoga Slim 7 on a clean, flat surface. Begin with the suction cup, attach it to the bottom edge of the screen. Gently pull the suction cup while using the spudger to pry open the screen bezel. Work your way around the edges carefully to avoid damaging the clips. Once the bezel is removed, you will see several screws securing the screen to the frame. Using your Phillips #0 screwdriver, remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Remember, keeping your workspace organized is key to a successful repair. After removing the screws, gently lift the screen from the frame. Be cautious of the display cable connected at the bottom. Use the spudger to carefully disconnect the cable from the motherboard. If you encounter any difficulty, take your time, rushing can lead to mistakes. Now, it's time to prepare the new screen. Take your replacement screen and connect the display cable to the motherboard. Ensure it's securely attached before moving on. If you're unsure or don't have the right tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our experts can assist you with any uncertainties you might have about the repair process. Next, position the new screen into the frame. Align it properly and replace the screws you previously removed. Tighten them gently to ensure the screen is secure, but avoid over-tightening as this can damage the screen. With the screen in place, it's time to reattach the bezel. Start at one corner and press it back into position, ensuring all clips are properly engaged. If you find it difficult to snap the bezel back in, double-check for any misalignments. Once the bezel is secured, power on your device to test the new screen. If everything works properly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen on your Lenovo Yoga Slim 7. If you find that the screen isn't functioning correctly, don't hesitate to reach out. Our services include pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to worry about traveling or making calls to arrange the repair. We can provide a quote before any repair, ensuring full transparency in our services. In conclusion, maintaining your device can save you both time and money, but if you ever feel overwhelmed, remember that professional help is just a call away. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.